Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then take out the SIM tray. And next, follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board bracket by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the broken camera lens glass from the frame. Apply heat from the front side to loosen the adhesive. And then slightly push from the rear side to take out the broken lens. Before installing the new lens, make sure the surface is clean. Next, place the new camera lens glass with adhesive. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the board bracket by adding 8 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.